a little splash. Piaf's tears pavestone my distress and discord. Accordion stretches my elongated, my separated, my abandoned gaze and necromancers. Where all romance shadows, you'll find my lonely, my lost wishes, special kisses of the dead and long gone. All the sisters of my adopted sources pour bleak, rich like Tarmacadam. Babe, that lake is pitch, home of every fallen bitch, every sodden catcall, curtain fall, the appalling fails of all who tried into cut glass slippers, confidently fit. Pit is scaly creatured, lagoon featured, crocodiled as tears in Edith's teeth.